Hi everyone, let's run through our muscle actions. Now before we start, you must remember that all human movement starts and takes place from this position. So just so we're clear, this is palms facing forward, this is thumbs to the outside, and this is what we call the anatomical position. So once again, just to repeat, the anatomical position, this is where we must perform all human movements. So we go with lower body then. Let's start with the ankle. From the ankle, we can dorsiflex the ankle, dorsiflex. Pulling that toe up, dorsiflex the ankle. Side on, we can dorsiflex, toes come up. We can plantar flex the ankle, toes go down, we plantar flex the ankle, which is just the same as going onto those tiptoes. So we're clear from that side, tiptoes, plantar flexion, like so. We can then invert the ankle, turn that sole to face in, we can invert the ankle, and finally with the ankle, you can evert the ankle, turn that sole to face out. Up to the knee. Very easy. We can flex the knee from the side. We can flex the knee. And from flexion, when we bring it back, we can extend the knee. Flex and extend. Once more, flex and extension of the knee. Up to the hip joint, a little bit more complicated. We can flex the hip, go the opposite, you can extend the hip. Once again, just flex and extension of the hip joint. Taking that hip away, we can abduct the hip joint, take it away, and when you bring it back in, you can abduct and adduct the hip joint. From there, we can medially or internally rotate that hip. Medial or internal rotation of the hip, and the opposite, lateral or external rotation of the hip. Lateral or external rotation, and finally, draw that big circle. You can circumduct the hip joint. Lower body muscle actions.